Now that we know how data gets stolen and sold, let's talk defense. The most effective protection against dark web exposure starts before exposure is even possible. Despite the growing sophistication of cyber threats, strong, unique passwords can help prevent one breach from becoming many. Multi-factor authentication can help block attackers even when passwords are successfully stolen and posted to the dark web. MFA is like installing a very judgmental alarm clock that asks, "Are you supposed to be here?" Password managers help humans avoid using the same password everywhere. That way, if one password is stolen and put up for sale on the dark web, it won't automatically provide access to multiple accounts. Still, the best way to defend your data being sold on the dark web is to avoid your data being stolen in the first place. In 2025, an estimated 3.4 billion scam attempt emails were sent each day worldwide, making phishing one of the most common cyber attack methods. Roughly 1.2% of all emails being harmful content. AI has both increased the sophistication of these attacks by making them more convincing and personalized, and improved defenses by powering more advanced detection systems that identify suspicious content better than traditional filters. Email filtering and spam detection tools can help reduce your overall exposure to identify theft attempts. But even with these tools, phishing emails still sneak past, which is why training employees to recognize phishing remains one of the highest impact defenses. Awareness turns staff into sensors instead of targets. Reporting suspicious messages quickly allows security teams to respond as fast as possible. Quicker reports lead to quicker response. This allows those impacted to change their credentials and help others avoid falling for the same threat. Additionally, monitoring for breached credentials adds to your personal early warning system. Dark web monitoring services continuously scan known breach databases and underground marketplaces for exposed information. When any matches are found, users are alerted so they can verify the activity, change compromised credentials, and secure affected accounts before the data is abused. If credentials appear on the dark web, immediate password changes limit the damage they can do. Each layer of defense increases attacker cost and frustration. Even small improvements can remove your organization from the shopping list. The dark web only profits when defenses fail, and every smart decision quietly disrupts that marketplace.